Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Google AI Studio app on Netlify. This is a fantastic way to take your AI project from development to production, making it accessible on the web for users to interact with. Let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to aistudio.google.com. Once you're on the Google AI Studio homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This gives you access to all your AI projects and the tools you need to manage them effectively. After logging in, you'll see a list of your existing apps or projects. Take a moment to browse through and select the specific app you want to deploy. This is the project that you'll be pushing to Netlify, so make sure you've chosen the right one before proceeding. Now look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on this gear icon to open up the configuration options for your selected app. From the drop-down or menu that appears, click on GitHub. This is where the connection between Google AI Studio and your GitHub repository begins. Still in the upper right area, navigate to the option that says Sync to GitHub. You'll notice there's a link directly below this option. Go ahead and click that link. This action will initiate the syncing process, which connects your Google AI Studio app to a GitHub repository, making it possible to deploy through external platforms like Netlify. At this point, open a new tab in your browser and head over to your Netlify account. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see various menu options. Click on Projects. This section shows all your current deployments and gives you the ability to add new ones. In the upper right corner of the Projects page, you'll find a button labeled Add New Project. Click on it, and from the options presented, select Import an Existing Project. This tells Netlify that you're bringing in a project from an external source rather than starting from scratch. Next, you'll be prompted to choose where your project is hosted. Click on GitHub. This connects Netlify to your GitHub account and allows you to access the repositories stored there. Now comes the part where you locate the project you synced earlier from Google AI Studio. You can either scroll through your list of repositories or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by typing in the repository name. This search functionality is especially helpful if you have many repositories in your GitHub account. Once you've found the correct project or repository, click on it to select it. Netlify will now pull in the necessary files and configurations from that repository. You'll then see a field where you can type a project name. This is how your deployment will be identified within Netlify, so choose something descriptive and easy to remember. It's a good idea to use a name that reflects the purpose or function of your AI app. After naming your project, scroll down the page until you reach the Deploy button. Before clicking it, you might want to double-check that all your settings and configurations look correct. When you're ready, go ahead and click Deploy. Netlify will now begin the deployment process, which may take a few moments as it builds and publishes your app. And that's it. You've successfully deployed your Google AI Studio app on Netlify, making it live and accessible on the web. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.